next reaction is the Wittig reaction. This also is a very important reaction. Okay, here the alkene preparation, the reaction between this aldehyde and the ketone, it forms a alkylidene, which means ylide compound, or triphenyl phosphorase. Okay, this is known as the Wittig reaction to form ylides. Okay, so it is contains a one benzaldehyde, 2 moles of benzaldehyde compound, one aldehyde ketone compound contains. Here's the alkylidene triphenyl phosphorase, because it contains a double bond. Here the triphenyl group here and one phosphorus group here said to be alkylidene triphenyl phosphorase, or said to be ylide. Okay, so reaction with the ketone benzophenone. Okay, so we're getting the some product of the double bond O will be removed. It directly double bond will be removed in this reactions. Okay, this double bond will be directly attacked to the CH2 group. Okay, and again here the C6H5 tries directly attack this O group. Okay, because it contains one negative charge, it contains positive charge. Okay, this is the formation of the Wittig reaction. Okay, so said to be here the phosphorus group. Okay, so here the mechanism of the reaction, or otherwise said to be phosphonium salts. Okay, so the next reaction again the benzaldehyde. Here the aldehyde group reacted with the ylide. Okay, here same wise here the CH2 will be directly formed with this reaction. Okay, the CH, see the C6H5. Okay, CH double bond CH. Okay, double bond CH2. Okay, here the double bond O will be directly reacted with this group. Okay, it form triphenyl phosphine oxide because it contains one oxygen group. Okay, here the cyclohexanone react with an ylide compound to form cyclohexane. Okay, so it contains double bond, or hexene, it contains double bond, cyclohexane compound, so it forms a triphenyl phosphine oxide. Okay, so this is a Wittig reaction of this mechanism. It is a very useful sequence of this reaction. Okay, so and again here the triphenyl phosphine reacted with the bromide. Okay, methyl bromide is said to be methyl bromide. So here the methyl bromide directly react with this reaction. Okay, so it will form C6H5 thrice P plus. Okay, it getting P plus and CH3. Okay, the CH3 directly added in this reaction, and Br minus contain 2 lone pair of electrons. Okay, so it is the first step, and next will be by adding the some ligands, C6H5 lithium aluminum or sodium methoxide. Okay, so this reaction will be adding this become adding like this C6H5 thrice P plus and one H2 H will be replaced in this reaction. It become one CH2 group will be directly attacked in this reaction, CH2. Okay, one hydrogen will be removed. Here the LiBr will be formed and C6H6 will be formed in this reaction. One here Li will be directly formed LiBr. One hydrogen will be added in this reaction. It forms C6H6. Okay, here one hydrogen will be removed and directly attack this hydrogen. Okay, it become form C6H6. Okay, so this is called carbonyl compound is directly added to the ethanol solution. Here the carbonyl compound directly added to this on ethanol solution. It is called as Wittig reaction. So here the mechanism of this reaction, here the triphenyl phosphine. Okay, so this become form the carbanion. This is the first step is the formation of nucleophile. Okay, so here the CH2 minus here one double bond will be breakable, it becomes a single bond. Okay, so here the cyclohexanone, okay, reacted with this compound, this nucleophile. Okay, so it become the double bond become breakable, and directly this minus will be attacked in this reaction to form betaine. See there, CH2 and P plus C6H5 thrice to form betaine. Okay, again this will be formed reacted with cyclohexene. Okay, which contains double bond. Okay, so cycloalkene, or otherwise it will be cycloalkene because kene double bond group here. So this form will be directly react with this reaction, double bond become breakable, it becomes single bond. Okay, so like this here the presence of electron withdrawing groups of carbonyl compounds are in this Wittig reaction. Okay, the first step is the electron withdrawing substituent carbonyl present in alkylate position is a ylide compound. So it decreases the nucleophilicity of the reaction. This is the main point. It decreases the nucleophilicity of the reaction with the carbonyl compound. So it becomes hindered to form the steric hindrance. Okay, so it's said to be steric hindrance. Okay, in addition, the aldehydes and ketones. In addition, so many reactions are conducted in this reaction. In this mechanism, first will be aldehyde, ketones, amides, isocyanate, nitroso compounds. All other reactant will be formed in this reactant. So it will be formed alike to form the expected compounds. Okay, the main point is the electron withdrawing group become decreases, bonded with the carbonyl group and alkylidine portion of the halide. Okay, so it is a main point of this mechanism. Okay, so Wittig reaction. This is the application. Here the application first with the formation of alkenes. Okay, so first will be from the double bond will be removed and the CH2 will be directly attacked in this reaction. Okay, so otherwise the same. Okay, here is also, here the double bond group will be removed, only the CH2 will be directly attacked. It will form phosphorylstyrene. Already see about the reaction. Here the preparation of carbo diimide. Diimide means when contain N double bond NH groups, it will be diidine. It is an important reagent for peptides and nucleic acid can be prepared by the isocyanates by Wittig reaction. Okay, so next reaction will be the Michael addition. Okay, so Michael addition, this is the addition reaction between the alpha beta unsaturated ketone group. Okay, so keto compound is the acceptor, becomes it accept the electrons. Okay, and active methylene group in the presence of the base. Okay, so it is a main mechanism of this reaction. This is a Michael addition reaction. So here the acceptor is to be alpha beta unsaturated compound. Okay, so it contains one ethanol group. Here the alpha beta unsaturated group directly reacted with an ester group. Okay, in the presence of sodium methoxide. So here C6H5, the double bond will become breakable and one hydrogen atom will be added in the addition. Okay, so Michael addition. So here one H2 will be H will be added in this reaction, it becomes CH2. Okay, so it becomes COO-C2H5. Here the CH minus one hydrogen will be directly added in this group. Okay, here the CH minus group directly attacked in this position. Okay, sorry, directly attacked this third position. Okay, so it to be CSUO twice. So it is a normal compound. Okay, so this compound having an activated double bond, so it contains one activated double bond called acceptase, is said to be acceptase. Okay, having an methylene compound. So it contains one methylene compound here. So it's said to be donors. Methylene compounds contains a donor atoms. The large number of donor acceptors are employed. Here the one donor and acceptors there. So said to be, here's a Michael addition. The donors, whatever the donors is malonic ester, cyanoacetylene ester, acetoacetylene ester, aliphatic nitro compounds like this. Okay, so the acceptor includes aldehydes, cinnamaldehyde, ketones, esters. These are the alpha unsaturated acids, alpha beta unsaturated acid here. Okay, so it is a various type of basic catalyst are used. Some examples: sodium methoxide and potassium, sodium potassium tetrabutoxide. Okay, or isopropoxide. Some mild basic catalysts are secondary amines or tertiary amines, piperidine, pyridine have been used in this reaction. Okay, so first we see about the mechanism. Here the malonic ester CH2 COO C2H5 twice. It is a malonic ester reacted with ethanol means enolate ion. Okay, C2H5O minus. Here the minus charge. Okay, the H2 will be removed. Only H minus will be removed in this reaction. So it become CH minus COO C2H5 twice. Here the H will be directly attacked in this reaction to form carbon ion. Okay, so again we adding alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, first step, alpha beta acceptor molecules and adding this carbon ion. Okay, so here this carbon, here the double bond become breakable, here the single bond become double bond become single bond, here the single bond become double bond. It is the first step. Here the CH minus directly attacked in this reaction, the double bond becomes single bond to form the enolate ion. Here C6H5 CH single bond CH. Okay, so the double bond, it is become double bond. Okay, so directly attack this reaction, so said to be enolate ion. Again by adding ethanol. Okay, only OH minus added in this reaction, addition reaction, OH will be added, otherwise the reaction will be the same in this molecule. Okay, so here the C2, here the hydrogen will be directly attacked in this reaction, it becomes C2H5O minus. See there. Okay, so again addition reaction, here the CH becomes CH2, C6H5CH, CH2, the double bond becomes single bond, here OH will be removed. Okay, OH will be removed, again the H will be formed double bond O, OC2H5, here CHCO2. It is a alpha beta addition reaction. Okay, so here the mechanism of Michael addition reaction. Okay, so here the coming from the applications, some other applications, it is acotinic acid. Okay, it is acotinic acid, the preparation of medicine or mainly used in the plasticizer, otherwise it is prepared by cyano-nitro compounds or diimidone or amino acids. Okay, so these are the important reaction mechanism of this reaction. Okay, very very important reaction